In a lush green forest on the branch of a tall oak tree, there lived a curious little leaf named Sunny. Sunny wasn't just any leaf. He had a big job to do. Every day, he worked tirelessly to feed his tree and help the world breathe. Sunny knew he had a special talent called photosynthesis, though many creatures around him didn't understand how important his work really was. One bright morning, as the sun climbed into the sky, Sunny stretched his chlorophyll-rich arms and got ready for the day.
All right, time to get to work.
Sunny began by soaking up sunlight with his green pigments.
Just what I need.
Then, through tiny pores on his surface, called stomata, he took in carbon dioxide from the air. At the same time, the roots of the oak tree had sent water up through the branches, all the way to Sunny. With everything he needed, sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, Sunny started his magical work.
Let's make some food for the tree.
Inside him, little factories called chloroplasts got busy. Using the sun's energy, they broke apart the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen.
Oxygen, you're free to go.
Sunny released the oxygen back into the air. The forest animals, like the birds in the branches and the squirrels scampering below, took deep breaths of the fresh oxygen without even realizing Sunny's gift. Next, Sunny combined the hydrogen with the carbon dioxide to create glucose, a sweet, energy-rich sugar.
This will keep the tree strong and help it grow.
Sunny sent the glucose down through the tree to be stored in its roots, branches, and trunk. As Sunny worked, a cheerful sunbeam landed on him.
Good morning, Sunny. How's the photosynthesis going today?
Busy as ever. You know, people don't realize how much leaves like me do. Without us, there'd be no food for plants, no oxygen for animals, and no shade for hot summer days.
You're a true hero. Keep up the good work. I'll send some extra light your way today.
Sunny beamed with pride and kept working, knowing he was part of something much bigger than himself. As days turned into weeks, the forest flourished. The tree grew taller and stronger, and animals thrived in the clean air Sunny helped create. One day, a young bird perched on Sunny's branch and chirped.
Thank you, Sunny. My family breathes the air you make every day.
It's just what I do. Every leaf, no matter how small, plays a part in keeping the world alive.
And so, Sunny continued his important work, day after day. Though his life would one day come to an end, Sunny knew the oak tree would sprout new leaves to carry on the incredible process of photosynthesis. After all, the cycle of life in the forest depended on hard-working leaves like him. In the quiet of the forest, with the rustle of leaves and the gentle hum of life all around, Sunny's story reminds us of the extraordinary, invisible work happening in every green leaf. So the next time you take a deep breath of fresh air, remember Sunny and his leafy friends. They're always working hard to keep our world alive and thriving.